Today we are doing a product review for a Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro mobile phone. Now this mobile phone comes in two configurations. One is with a 4GB and a 64GB configuration, and another one is a 6GB and a 128GB configuration. Now I have gone in for this phone with the 6GB 128GB configuration so that it takes care of all my memory requirements in the future as well as for the present. Now when I was looking out for a phone, I had two or three criteria that I wanted checked. The first criteria was the price. I wanted a phone in the sub 15,000 rupee category. The second criteria which I wanted was it should have a large screen. Now this is a phone with a 6.3-inch screen, which is normally, as compared to other screens of 5.5 inches, relatively larger. The third criteria that I wanted, which I've already covered, is I wanted a 6GB 128GB memory capacity so that the phone is fast and the phone can store a lot of my videos and photographs. Now if you look at the features of the phone, it says it has a 48 MP and a 5 MP dual camera at the back. It also has a 13 MP front camera. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 2 GHz processor. The screen is 6.3 inches across the diagonal against the normal 5.5 inches. And the battery is of 4000 mAh, which typically should last a full day. Now this phone is available in three colors. One is space black, there is a blue color as well as a red color. I have gone in for a space black color. As I said, the memory is 6GB 128GB for this phone. When you open this phone, what you get inside is a soft back cover. Now this cover itself would be costing about 100 rupees, 150 rupees in the market. So this is a feature they have given along with the phone. Also, of course, the instruction manuals are there, the warranty card is there, and this is the basic phone. This is the basic phone, like I said, with a 6.3-inch screen. Feels a little heavy in the hand. This is the headphone jack. This is the SIM, where the SIM slot where the SIM is inserted. This is the on-off button, and this is the volume control button. This is a front camera. It does not have a flash feature in the front. It also has a USB charger, but there are no headphones. There are no headphones given along with the phone. I think this will suit my requirements perfectly. In case you are interested in buying, please click on the links given in the description. Also, the details, very detailed specifications are also given in the description itself. Just to read out a few details, it has a face unlock feature, which is something new, which I don't know what it would be, but let's see how it works out. It has a 4K video recording feature as well, and it should give a super fast performance because of its memory and its capacity for all video games for all videos or for browsing the internet. This Redmi Note 7 should be an ideal phone for me. I hope you like the product, and I look forward to your subscribing to my channel for more such products in the near future. Till then, this is goodbye.